Hello, my name's Craig Cook, Loss Craig Cook and Associates. It represents our clients in several different types of catastrophic injury cases, but today I'm going to talk to you about legal recourse for victims of electrical accidents, electrical contacts. The first section, or what we're going to talk about in that regard, is what is involved in pursuing a legal claim for electrical shock injuries and what steps should victims take to initiate the process. If you come in contact with an electrical line or phase that's on the ground, or otherwise come in with a conductor of electricity, the first thing is more likely than not, you're going to need to get to a physician or a hospital. Make sure that you can get stabilized. A lot of these accidents do not turn out real well for the person that has the contact with the phase or the other conduit of electricity. Second thing you need to do is you need to contact our office, because we need to preserve the scene where it takes place to make sure that we can make a determination of exactly how it did in fact take place. Until you show them that you're going to be able to convince the jury that you're entitled to damages, they are not going to pay you the damages that you need for the case. What challenges, complexities may arise during the legal process, and how can victims address them effectively? You need to make sure that you're not working within that area, the 10 feet or 6 feet, depending on which state. As I recall, that's what they are in Arkansas and Oklahoma. And if you get past that threshold or that hurdle, then you got to make sure that you investigate the scene and make a determination of exactly how that contact occurred, which usually in those cases you have to get an electrical engineer to determine the cause. How can consulting with an experienced attorney help victims navigate the legal system and maximize their chances of obtaining a favorable outcome? Thinking about hiring counsel in regards to these type of cases. Of course, if you want to try to hire a counsel or attorney that has done these, the reason that you want to contact somebody that has done that before is you know on the front end whether there is a viable case or not. When you're consulting with an experienced counsel, like in our case, our office has an experienced electrical engineer that has looked at several of these cases, can usually opine or give an opinion as to how it occurred. We get our electrical engineer, we show that contact was through no fault of our client from our office or from a local one who may have passed as a result of that contact. And then you want to go to maximization. Maximization has to do with your damages. What that means is, depending upon your age or what things you may have wrong with you before, you need to be able to maximize your recovery. In other words, you need to be able to get to the experts that's going to try to predict within what's called a reasonable degree of medical certainty, or more likely than not, that what's happened to you with this contact in regards to the phase or electrical line is the direct or proximate cause of the damages, the pain and suffering that you're suffering now. You can have a myriad of other issues. You've got to have an expert to address those. If you have a family member or yourself have been a victim of contacting phase or other conduit of electricity to no fault of your own, contact our office. We have offices in Arkansas and Oklahoma. You can contact us either by telephone at 479-783-8000. Contact me directly, Craig at lawofficesofcraiglcook.com, or contact us through our website, lawofficesofcraiglcook.com.